Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a locked PDF. First, it's crucial to understand what a locked PDF means. Essentially, it's a document with security restrictions, often set by the creator, that prevent any modifications. This can include stopping you from printing, editing, or even adding a signature. To proceed with signing, our initial step will always involve addressing and removing these protective layers. We'll explore the common methods to achieve this, ensuring you can then apply your signature effectively. To sign a locked PDF, the first critical step is to remove its restrictions. Often, this involves using a dedicated PDF editor or a reputable online tool. If the document is protected by an owner password, you'll need that specific password to unlock it. Without it, many tools won't be able to proceed. While some advanced tools claim to bypass passwords, always be mindful of the legal implications and ensure you have the right to modify the document before attempting such methods. This step is foundational for successful signing. Once your PDF is unlocked and free of restrictions, the digital signing process becomes straightforward. Open the document in your preferred PDF reader or editor, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Look for the Fill and Sign or Signature tool, usually found in the toolbar. You can then create a new signature, perhaps by typing your name, drawing it, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. After creating it, simply drag and drop it onto the desired location on your document, adjusting its size as needed for a professional finish. If you encounter persistent difficulties in digitally unlocking a PDF, or if you prefer a traditional approach, the print, sign, and scan method is a reliable alternative. Begin by printing the entire PDF document. Then, using a pen, physically apply your signature to the designated areas. Once signed, use a scanner to convert the physical document back into a new PDF file. This method ensures your signature is legally binding and is a practical solution when digital unlocking proves challenging or impossible, providing a clear, signed record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.